This is a Whisper Heat Lennox furnace. The frame doesn't want to stay lit, and so I'm gonna replace the frame sensor and this is the frame sensor right here. First, I need to turn off the gas here. And then here there are two screws which I already took out. There's one also here. I'm going to also have to disconnect the 2-wire from this one here. And then you just slide the cover out. And the frame sensor plus the igniter is in here. Right where the 2 screw is, right here. All you need to do is get a flat screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screw, and then you come up here and use either a plier or a number 12 wrench, unscrew this. I already did it, and so I just kind of want to walk through this. Once you unscrew it, take this out, this gas line out, and then you can just take these wires out like this, as well as the gas line. Remove all this way, and then since you already took this two screw out, you just slide this whole thing out, and being you already loose up here, the whole thing will just come out. And you can just then slide out the old one from behind there, slide the new one in, and just connect your wire back to the bottom end here. This actually is the old one. I had already did the replacement of the new one. And so this would be the line to the frame sensor. The orange is to the igniter, and that's the gas line. And then you just put the cover back, connect these 2 wires, turn the heat on or the furnace on, and you should have the frame coming back on.